Meaning of dietetics.
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 Dietetics. Dietetics is the study of the relationship between food and health, as well as the science of human nutrition. It involves developing and promoting dietary plans with the aim of achieving specific health outcomes. Dietitians are the professionals who specialize in this field and use their knowledge to help individuals or groups make informed choices about their diets. By understanding how different foods affect the human body, dietitians provide guidance on healthy eating habits that can improve overall health and prevent chronic diseases. Overall, dietetics plays a vital role in promoting a healthier lifestyle through personalized nutritional plans.